Hey friends, it's Alex here, and today we are debunking one of the biggest myths in the world of investing.
Do you know which one?
That to start, you need to have thousands of dollars, special knowledge, or connections. No, and 1,000 times no. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start building your financial future with just $10 a month.
Yes, you heard that right. The price of one cup of coffee or one trip to the store.
If you thought investing wasn't for you because I don't have enough money, then this video is exactly for you. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll give you 3 ready-to-go portfolio options that you can put together today. And remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything I share is my personal experience and educational information. Always do your own research. Let's go! Part 1. Why $10 is enough. Let's be real.
Many people put off starting to invest because they are waiting for the perfect moment or the right amount.
But do you know what the math says?
Time in the market is more important than timing the market. $10 today, invested wisely, can turn into a sum that will surprise you in 20, 30 years. Not because $10 is a lot, but because compound interest starts working for you.
Every dollar you invest today is a seed. And the earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow.
So, if you have just $10 a month, you are already one step ahead of those who are just waiting.
Part 2. Where to invest with a minimum amount. Now for the practical side.
Where can you even invest small amounts?
The good news, in 2026, there are more platforms for this than ever before. First, look for brokers that offer fractional shares. What does that mean?
Previously, to buy a share of a major company for $3,000, you needed to have that full amount. Now, you can buy, for example, 0.003 of a share for those same $10. It's like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. Second, look for platforms with 0 trading commissions. Some brokers still charge $5 to $10 per transaction, and with your budget, that would simply eat up the entire investment. We don't want that. Third, check if the app has an auto deposit function. This is a key point we'll talk about in a bit.
I won't name specific brands in this video because available platforms depend on your country, but just Google fractional shares, no commission, your country, and you'll find options.
Part 3. Fractional shares. Your best friend.
Let's dive a bit deeper into fractional shares, because this truly changes the game for beginners. Imagine you want to invest in reliable, proven companies or funds, but their shares are expensive. Fractional shares allow you to own a portion of those assets proportional to your amount. Put $10 into a fund that costs $400 per share? Great! You've become the owner of 2.5% of that share. You get the same share of dividends and the same growth dynamics, just proportionally smaller. This is especially cool for diversification.
Instead of putting all $10 into one company, you can spread it across several assets.
Even with a small budget. Part 4. Automation, the secret to consistency. And now, the most important life hack that will save you from yourself. Set up an automatic deposit. Why does it work? Because we are human.
We forget, we get distracted, we spend money on impulsive purchases.
But if you set up a $10 transfer once on your payday, that's it.
The money will go toward investments on its own, just like a utility bill or a subscription.
This is called pay yourself first.
You don't wait until something is left at the end of the month. You immediately direct part of your income toward your future. Tip: link the auto deposit to the date you receive your salary or scholarship.
That way, you won't even have time to spend that money on something else.
Part 5. 3 ready-made portfolios to start. The promised 3 options.
Choose the one that fits your comfort level best.
Option 1. The maximum symbol.
Invest all $10 into one broad index fund. For example, one that tracks the entire U.S. market, like the S&P 500, or a global index.
It's like buying the whole market in one basket.
Minimum effort, maximum diversification. Ideal if you don't want to dig into the details.
Option 2. The balance. Split your $10 into 2 parts. $7 into an index fund, your reliable base, and $3 into 1 or 2 companies you believe in. For example, a tech giant or a brand you use every day. This way, you combine stability with a bit of excitement. The dividend start. Direct all $10 into a fund that focuses on companies with consistent dividend payouts. Yes, the payout amounts will be tiny at first, but you'll immediately start seeing how money works for you. This is great motivation to keep going. Important. Don't change your strategy every week. Pick one option and stick to it for at least 3 to 6 months. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Part 6. What not to do.
I'll quickly run through typical mistakes beginners make with a small budget.
Don't chase hot stocks from social media. Meme stocks and cryptomania aren't an investment strategy. They're a lottery.
Don't check your portfolio every day. You'll see micro fluctuations and get nervous.
Check once a month, no more.
Don't stop if the market drops.
On the contrary, when prices are low, your $10 buys more shares.
That's a bargain. Don't compare your start to others' overnight success. Everyone has their own path. Your progress is yours alone. Friends, let's wrap this up. Starting to invest with $10 a month is real. You need a platform with fractional shares and no commissions, an auto deposit setup, and one of the 3 simple strategies I gave you. Don't wait for better times. The best time was yesterday.
The second best time is right now.
If this video was helpful, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm show it to other beginners who also think, I don't have enough money. Subscribe to the channel if you want more honest breakdowns about finances without the jargon. And in the comments, let me know which strategy do you prefer? Simple, balanced, or dividend? Or maybe you have your own question about getting started. I read every comment and I'm happy to help. Remember, you're not just putting away $10. You're investing in yourself, in your peace of mind, and in your future. And that is the most important investment of all. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and your finances. Bye.